introduce myself first, okay? And then I wanna know what's your nickname,
My
uh, Zona. But
Zana.
I'll do that first, okay? Kakak yang akan melakukannya dulu ya,
Ya,
oke? Oke. Eh, mau pakai bahasa Inggris atau bahasa Indonesia?
setengah-setengah.
Oh, oke. 50-50, oke. My name's Azali Parabi, and then you can call me Farabi atau Mister Abi atau Kak Abi. Depends on you, whatever.
Hmm.
And my hobbies are reading and coding. And yeah, I also watching movie exactly. And then I live in Bogor now, but I'm from Lombok actually. You know Lombok?
Yes.
Yeah, and that's my village there. And then I'm graduate from IPB University, Bachelor of Mathematics from IPB University. You know IPB?
No.
No, okay. That's a university, yeah, in Bogor.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah, that's all. What do you want to know from me?
Hmm. Hmm.
It's okay. Don't be shy. You look like my brother, my little brother.
Why?
Ya, seperti adik kakak di rumah di Lombok.
Hmm.
Persis, Mbak. Namanya Arsyad, ya. Dan dia umurnya baru kelas 4 atau 5 SD gitu. Ya. Oke, how about you? Could you introduce yourself?
My name is Zano.
Zano. Oke, Zano.
My
And
hobby is mm,
what's your hobby?
yeah, mechanic.
What? Mechanic?
Yes.
What is mechanic? I don't know.
Like uh mm, perbaiki motorcycle.
Seriously?
Yes.
You do that?
Yes.
Wow. You are that's cool. Orang seumuran Zona sudah memperbaiki mekanik, melakukan hal-hal bersikap mekanik.
Iya.
Wow, that's great. Ya, where are you from, Zona?
Zano.
Oh, Zano, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kendari.
What?
I'm
I
from
couldn't hear
Kendari.
you.
Suaranya.
What?
I from Kendari.
Oh, Kendari. Oh,
Yes.
wha- uh, in what province?
Sulawesi Tenggara.
Oh, I see, I see. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, and how old are you, Zana?
Um, 20 years old. Well,
12,
eh,
12, 12 years.
well,
Yeah.
20, 20. No, no.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, wow, wow. 12 years old. It means you are in elementary school, huh?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So, uh, I think, hmm, Sumatra. Okay, okay, I see, I see. And then, did you uh, pernah ikut algo sebelumnya?
No.
No, this is your first time.
Yes.
Okay, I see. Okay, I see. It's cool, yeah. You start with Python start. It's really, really cool. Okay, Pano. I have rules in this class, yeah. So, I mean, we are in algorithmic. We just not uh, learn learning about coding ya. Jadi kita nggak hanya belajar coding, tetapi juga berbicara ya. Jadi nanti maksud kakak kalau Pano ada hal yang dibingungkan, angkat tangan aja langsung ya. Kemudian bertanya gitu ya. Kemudian
Oke.
kalau Pano misalnya kakak bertanya sesuatu gitu ya, Pano juga bisa membantu kak menjawab gitu ya. Jangan malu ya, karena kakak juga pernah berbuat salah ya saat belajar gitu. Ya, intinya jangan malu lah ya. Gitu Pano ya.
Ya.
Oke? Oke.
Oke.
And then yeah, I think that's all of my rules ya. You have to be brave because dengan berani Pano bisa menjadi ahlinya nanti. Oke? Oke. Oke, I think let's we start our learning today, Pano. Are you ready? You ready?
Yes.
Oke, oh I'm so. Halo, Bunda ada di situ juga ya?
Ya.
Oh iya. Selamat siang, Bunda.
Ya.
Oh ya. Nanti Pano kakak mohon maaf ya, ini hujan jadi nggak tahu. Kadang-kadang wifi-nya kalau hujan tidak bagus, jadi sering ini kak. Tapi udah kakak prepare sebaik mungkin. Oke?
Oke.
Pano, Zano. I'm sorry,
Ya.
Zano. Oke, Zano. Okay, today we will learn about our really first meeting is introduction to the Python language. So if I ask you, have you heard about Python previously? Zano, have you
What?
heard about this? Python. Pernah
No.
mendengar istilah Python?
No.
Python. Kalau Python, masa nggak pernah? What?
What?
Yeah, that's it. Ya. Jadi sejarahnya kakak ini sedikit ini ya pengetahuan umum tentang Python. Python ini ditemukan oleh orang namanya orang Rusia ya, Guido van Rossum. Dia suka ular, Pano. Dia suka
Hmm.
ular Python gitu. Kemudian suatu waktu dia disuruh untuk membantu seorang peneliti untuk membuat mengerjakan tugasnya gitu. Dan dia karena suka ular, dia menamakan bahasa pemrogramannya itu Python, gitu ya. Nah, jadi nanti Panu mungkin kalau menemukan sesuatu suka mekanik gitu ya, bisa dinamakan ya, nggak tahu kakak istilah-istilah di mekanik apa ya. Mungkin
Hmm.
busi mungkin kan, kakak nggak tahu. Oke, Panu. So, congratulations on the beginning of your training with Pro Team. So, I personally will say that welcome to Algorithmics, Pano. And then, yeah, we will start learning for Python Start. And then Python Start is really nice, yeah, for you, especially you are in elementary school. This is nice for you. Okay, Pano, this is our goal for today. We will complete an onboarding process to begin your employment as a junior developer with ProTeam. And then for achieve that, you have to learn first why programming in Python is really cool. Yeah. The second is explore the features of the online software development platform. And then, of course, you have to, yeah, write your first program using Python. Could you hear me, Pano? Zano, I'm sorry. Could you hear
Yes.
me? Okay. So,
Yes.
hari ini kita akan belajar why, alasan kita menggunakan bahasa Python dalam pemrograman. Yang kedua, kita coba nanti mengeksplorasi fitur-fitur apa aja yang ada di platform algoritmik yang kita pakai untuk belajar. Dan Zano akan menulis program pertamanya menggunakan Python. Begitu ya? Oke? Oke. So this is the journey of algorithmics. Yeah, when you are in algorithmic, you have to first go through onboarding and learn our software development platform. The second, you have to perform small tests under the supervision. It means, yeah, I will guide you until you are expert on Python, and then until you finish your work, and then work on your own projects, and then participate in a real hackathon. Ya, jadi yang pertama sekarang kita coba onboarding dulu, kemudian nanti setelah masuk platform, Zano akan kakak perlihatkan latihan-latihan codingnya seperti apa yang akan mempertajam skill Zano. Kemudian setelah nanti beberapa 2 minggu ya kalau nggak salah, Zano udah bisa membuat project sendiri gitu dari apa yang sudah kita pelajari. Dan di platform itu nanti ada apa namanya, komunitas untuk lomba ngodingnya. Kalau Zano mau berpartisipasi silahkan. Namanya hackathon ya. Kalau tidak juga nggak apa-apa. Gitu ya, Zano?
Ya.
Oke. So, I think now we have to know about this. Why do we program using Python or in Python? This is uh, the alasan utamanya itu yang ini ya. The main reason of we are using Python in our programming is Python is the most widely used language in the world. Ya, jadi Python itu ternyata yang paling banyak dipakai, Zano, ya, di dunia. Ya, as you can see, there is another language, programming language like C++, Java, and then you can see here C, and then C, and then PHP, R, JavaScript, Go, and assembly. And then maybe you have heard about Microsoft Excel. Have you heard about that?
No.
Microsoft Excel? No. Okay. Yeah, Microsoft Excel, and then Microsoft Power BI. That's also a programming language. But the most widely used in the world is Python itself. Okay? This is based on IEEE, or Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. Okay, that's the first reason that we will use Python. And then this is the company that, yeah, in it's developing when developing its own application, they use Python in this, ya. Jadi Google, email, IBM, Facebook, and then Intel, YouTube, EBA, and Instagram using Python in its developing aplikasinya itu menggunakan Python. Oke, pernah mendengar Google ya? Zano
Pernah.
pernah. Kemudian yang mana lagi yang pernah Zano pakai dari semua ini?
Instagram.
Instagram, oke. And then this one, and then Facebook.
Email.
Oh, okay. You did not use YouTube. Oh, sorry, Facebook.
No.
Okay, I see. How about uh Intel and IBM?
No.
Oh, okay. It's okay. Yeah. And then beside that, Python can be used to program the logic of a game, yeah. Just like, yeah, I don't know about this game because playing game is not my hobby exactly. But this game using Python in developing its logic, like The Sims 4, and then World of Tanks, and then EVE Online, and then Civilization 4, yeah. And then Python is used to automate routine processes such as, yeah, message analysis and processing, automatic report generation, and big calculation, and much more. Jadi selain pengembangan logika game, Python juga dapat digunakan untuk memprogram eh, apa namanya, aktivitas rutin kita, seperti menganalisis pesan, kemudian membuat laporan otomatis, dan melakukan kalkulasi besar. Gitu ya. So, theoretical onboarding said that each developer must know a certain set of basic concepts A professional is expected to know them before they are allowed to program anything. Now, before we go into the main part of this lesson, you have to know about this concept, yeah, Zano. The first is algorithm, and then programming language, and then what is a program. Have you heard about three of one of them? Never.
No, never.
Oh, this is the first time. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
I'll explain to you, and then I hope you you get something new. Okay. The first is algorithm. Algorithm is a sequence of actions to achieve a goal. Ya, like apa namanya? Mungkin ini terlalu formal ya. Kalau kakak bahasakan, Zano kalau mau menyikat gigi itu pasti ada langkah-langkahnya ya. Nah, langkah-langkah itulah yang disebut algoritma ya. Jadi nggak langsung kan ambil sikat gigi kan nggak langsung sikat gitu ya. Tapi mungkin ke toilet dulu ya atau ke kamar mandi maybe ya. Kemudian ambil sikatnya, kemudian tuangkan pastanya, kemudian barulah sikat giginya. Gitu ya. That's
Ya.
algorithm, a sequence of actions to achieve a goal. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Then this is for make your supaya pemahaman Zano itu lebih tajam, dia memberikan contoh begini. Imagine that me can only act according to a predetermined algorithm. Put together an algorithm that instructs the teacher, the performer of the algorithm, to write the word Python on the board. So, jadi ada sesuatu yang membuat bahwa algoritma itu baik, dikatakan baik, dan dia juga dikatakan buruk. Ada alasan-alasannya, Zano. Yang pertama, in a good algorithm, the property of all required actions are included in the algorithm. Why? Because the performer, misalnya kakak robot ya, performernya itu kan robot ya. Because the performer never takes the initiative and only does what they are told. Jadi mereka hanya melakukan apa yang ditulis, dikodingkan oleh Zano. Tidak pernah berinisiatif untuk melakukan sesuatu yang lain. Robot itu seperti itu, ya. And then actions are arranged in the correct order. Why? Because the performer only carries out the action in a designated sequence. Nah, apa yang kita tulis itu harus dijalankan secara terurut oleh robotnya. Itu yang kedua. Dan yang ketiga, actions can be understood unambiguously. Jadi, why-nya adalah the performer has no intuition or imagination. Ya, jadi kalau ada perintah yang ambigu, robot itu tidak akan bisa mengerti, gitu ya. Jadi itu maksudnya. Nah, sekarang kakak tanya, will a computer be able to execute this set of action? Bisa nggak kira-kira Zano?
Kenapa?
Zano?
What? Ya?
This is the question. Will a computer be able to execute this set of action? This is the action. Ya. Nah, pertanyaannya bisa nggak robot itu mengeksekusi semua apa yang tertulis di sini?
Nah.
How?
Hmm,
Jawabannya adalah tidak ya. Why? Because jawabannya adalah tidak ya. Because for the first one, comments in a different language. Jadi bahasanya berbeda. Jadi robot itu nggak mengerti kalau bahasanya bermacam-macam. Gitu ya.
oh,
Kemudian multiply 10 by 45. Nah, dia akan bertanya, ini apakah Zano memerintahkan saya untuk mengalihkan ataukah dia hanya sekadar menulis katanya. Gitu. Dia bilang kalau perintahnya nggak jelas, dia akan bertanya gitu. Jadi nggak akan menjalankan apa-apa gitu. Dan kemudian ini add up everything what exactly should it add up? Nah, dia nggak tahu apa yang sebenarnya ingin ditambahkan. Jadi perintah itu pertama harus jelas, pakai satu bahasa, dan terakhir harus berurutan. Ini enggak, yang mana yang harus saya pertama, yang dahulukan. Katanya begitu. Ya Zano ya?
Hmm.
Kalau Zano tidak menulisnya dengan runtun. Nah sekarang, eh what is programming language? So programming language is a language used to communicate with machines. Ya, jadi bahasa pemrograman itu adalah bahasa yang kita pakai untuk berinteraksi atau berkomunikasi dengan mesin. Mesin di sini bukan mekanik ya, tapi komputer, komputer, gitu ya, with
Ya.
machines, gitu. And then what bahasa pemrograman apa yang kita pakai di kursus ini? Jawabannya adalah
Tom.
Python ya. Python that we are using in this course ya. Nah, sekarang setelah kita tahu apa itu algoritma dan bahasa pemrograman, pertanyaan akhirnya adalah what is a program? Program is an algorithm written in a programming language. Jadi program itu adalah algoritma yang ditulis pakai bahasa pemrograman. Gitu ya. Jadi kalau algoritma itu adalah tata caranya yang dilakukan secara runtun, urut gitu ya. Kemudian bahasa pemrograman itu apa? Bahasa yang dipakai untuk menulisnya, berkomunikasi dengan komputernya, dan program itu apa? Algoritma yang ditulis pakai bahasa pemrograman. Nah, pertanyaan Kak sekarang, Zano, algoritma itu sama nggak dengan pemrograman?
Hmm. Beda.
Ayo, beda. Kenapa beda? Karena
Nah,
why those are different? Why?
because
Because
hmm,
yeah, because we don't need a programming language to do an algorithm ya. Jadi Zano kalau melakukan sikat gigi kan nggak perlu ngoding dulu kan? Iya kan? Ya jadi langsung aja kan gitu ya. Oke, and then this is some of rules ya. When you are using a Python as your programming language, the first is rule of beginning. This is we'll talk about the first comment in a program shall be written at the beginning of a line. Jadi rule untuk memulai itu harus ditulis pertama. Jadi kalau Zano mau perintahnya dilakukan pertama, you have to write it in the very verse ya, di baris yang paling pertama. And then rule of order, this is said that comment should be executed in order if they are written one below the other. Nah, yang kedua adalah aturan untuk secara terurut. Jadi kalau Zano ingin melakukan, memerintahkan, nanti mengkodekan dan ingin urutannya itu tertata, maka penulisannya juga harus urut gitu. Oke? And
oke.
then the last one, rules of code style. Ya, in Python, ya, replacing lowercase letters with uppercase ones is not allowed. Ya, an accidental character may break the code. Ya, jadi contohnya begini nanti. Let's say I write Zano with the Z is uppercase ya, huruf kapital. This is not same with Zano yang Z-nya itu huruf kecil. Gitu ya. Jadi Z yang hurufnya besar pada kata Zano berbeda dengan Z yang hurufnya kecil meskipun katanya sama. Gitu ya. Aturannya adalah rules of code style atau ya bahasa Python itu it's really really sensitive ya. Jadi dia sangat tahu perbedaan gitu. Jadi Zano tidak boleh sembarangan gitu menulis kodenya. Oke? Get it?
Oke.
Okay, now the conclusion for the first part is Python is a world famous language that can be used in a wide variety of tasks. The second is a program is an algorithm written in a programming language. And then to write a working program, you need to follow the common rule. Ya, jadi Python itu bahasa yang terkenal, itu yang pertama, dan dia mudah untuk digunakan. Kemudian, the second is, program itu adalah algoritma yang ditulis pakai bahasa pemrograman. And then the third one is, to write a working program, you need to follow the common rules. Jadi, selama ngoding nanti, Zano itu harus mengikuti aturan yang berlaku dalam bahasa itu. Oke, got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now I want to show you about our platform in algorithmic, sorry. So, have you logged in into the the platform, Zano?
No.
Have you logged? Oh, no, okay. I will show you the preview, yeah, before you log into there. The first one is you will see something like this, Zano. You have home, wait. You have home tab here, and then you have course tab, and then start lesson tab, and then community, laboratory, and then lessons achieved. Now I will explain to you about course tab, yeah. So in the course tab, you will see the course that you are in, ya. Course yang diambil sama zona itu akan tampak di sini gitu ya. And then each course, ya kalau lebih dari satu berarti nanti lebih dari satu di sini gitu. Ya. Nah, nanti Zano, when you are logged in to the platform, you will see something like this in the tab course, ya, in the tab course. Python basic, control structure, and so on. This is the module of that you will learn. And then each module has consists of four lessons, more or less ya, kurang lebih empat pelajaran ya, terdiri dari 4 kali pertemuan gitu untuk setiap modul. And then when you, aduh, sinyal. Oke, Zano. Saat nanti Zano memasuki course contains theory and exercise with the suggested tasks and projects. Jadi nanti saat cek.
Yeah.
Could you hear me, Zano?
Yes. Hello.
Okay. I think I have bad connection, Zano. I'm sorry. Okay. This is the review of the course. When you click a module of the course, let's say you are in module 1, lesson 1, yeah, you will see something like this. For the lesson 1, you have 4 parts there. The first part is to make your skill better, and then the second part is also to make your skill better, and then you have extra practice or extra exercise to make your coding skill more smooth ya. And then this is optional. I mean, kalau mau dikerjakan silahkan, kalau enggak juga silahkan. This is optional, okay? And then when you go into the workspace of the code itself, could you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. When you go into the IDE or the workspace, when we will code later, you will see something like this. Yeah, this is for the programming area here. This is for your programming area, and then this is to see the case or the problem. Yeah, open the practice book. Yeah, this is, you have to click on this one, and then this is for run your code. When your code is finished, when your code was complete, you have to run your code and then submit it. If you kalau ada tombol seperti ini berarti pemeriksaannya otomatis, kalau nggak ada berarti harus nanti dicentang sendiri. Oke, Zano? Oh,
Okay.
I have bad connection. I will change my.
Kamu nggak boleh tanya.
Ngerti.
Nah, yang mungkin sila kelompoknya tanya.
I think this is more nice. Check, check.
Sekolah.
Nah. Nah,
Sekolah.
Halo.
I'm sorry, I have to change my connection. Okay, Zano. That's all, yeah. So yeah, this is when the platform doesn't have auto review. You have to checklist this one and then submit the text, and then I will review it after you finish the work. Okay.
Okay.
And then what? Sorry. Oh. Okay, and then this is what can the platform do? You can save your own project to the laboratory. Laboratory files can be shared with your college to the platform or on social media. This is like, when you have an account in this platform, you can follow or you can have followers in here. Yeah, just like Instagram. Okay. Okay. Okay, now it's your turn to share your screen, and then I will guide you until you done your work, yeah, for the first part. Okay.
No, no.
Okay, Zano.
Mana?
Did you know your unit and your password? Did you know
What?
your user ID and password? Okay. Oh, I will send you the link first, yeah.
Zano.
This is the link. Okay. I text you on the WhatsApp. I think it's Mama, or I will use in Zoom meeting. You can see in the chat box, Zano.
Yeah.
I have sent a link for you. Okay, that's nice. Okay, and then after that, pintu masuk untuk murid. You remember? Did you remember your username?
No.
No. Okay. Wait. Wait a moment. Zano. This is your user ID, and then this is your password. Yeah.
Okay.
Bisa ganti password.
Okay.
Bisa ganti password.
Can I change the
Username or password?
username or password?
Oh, I don't know about that, Zano, because yeah, it's from algorithmic, and then yeah, I don't know about that. Yeah, exactly. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that, Zano?
Nothing.
Okay, nothing. Okay, now we are in module 1, as you can see on the left side, and then for module 1, we are in lesson 1 now. We are learning lesson 1. So the first part is number 1. As you can see, Zano, number 1, you have to click on there.
Isi number 1.
Number 1, click.
Yes, number 1.
Baca dulu.
Hmm.
Hmm,
Oh, what?
Baca. Apa bagaimana dulu? Ya, harus dulu. Iya apa tidak?
What's happened with me?
Hmm.
Okay, now
What?
mark what can be used for.
What?
Oh, tanya untuk kamu.
This you have to complete this question, Zano. Mark what Python can be used for. The first is it true
Hmm.
Python used to program robots?
Python tuh bisa dipakai untuk ini nggak? Bisa nggak?
You have to check
Oh,
that.
Bisa.
tentang bisa buat ini nggak?
Shit.
Bisa.
Yeah, that's true, yeah.
Yes.
That's
Yakin?
true, Zano.
Oke, oke.
Okay.
Ini
Game logic is also true, yeah. And
Hmm.
then automating routine process, it's also true, yeah.
True.
bikin website bisa nggak?
Yeah. True.
Tentang, oke.
And then creating website, that's true, yeah. Okay, very nice.
Iya. Hah?
Okay, the second one,
Kamu ini di sini.
okay, Zano, match the names of the rules, okay, with their meanings. Okay, oh,
Mhm.
okay.
Meaning?
The first one, the first one, the description is the first comment is written at the beginning of the line. What's rule of this? This is the beginning rule, yeah? This is
Yes.
the beginning rule.
Huh?
Oh no, it's the beginning rule. Ah, very nice. Okay. Number second, comments are executed in order if they are written one below the other. Okay, this is the order rule, yeah.
Enak kan dikasih
And then the
contohnya?
last one, capital letters cannot be changed to lowercase. This is for
Yes.
yeah, very code formatting style. Very nice.
Ya, sure.
Okay, answer. Okay, very nice. Okay. Now the importance of fast typing skill. Yeah, you have to next this one. This is just documentation. Yeah, on the yellow button. And again.
Again.
Okay, next. Okay. Now in this text, you will, measure your typing speed. Okay. You will learn. Yeah, you will improve your typing speed. You just need to type on there. Algorithm program, programming language. Okay. You can begin that.
No.
Okay. A. Oh, A. L.
Go.
Oh.
Hey.
Wait. Wait. It's 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 typo.
Oh.
Let's.
No. Read.
HM, HM.
HM. HM space program.
Program.
Oh, M space programming.
Nah.
Baik.
Pro R A double M. Okay. Language.
Wrong.
Oh. It's okay. It's okay. Language. Okay. Enter.
Next again.
Okay. And then the second one, algorithm. Again.
It's Program.
Algorithm program. Programming. Language.
Intip lagi.
Language. Language. Oh, 50. Wow, nice. I think that's good, yeah, because you are a beginner, but you have 50 symbols per minute. That's nice. Okay, the second one. Python program. Print data.
Program.
Program.
Python. H is pakai H. And versi program. Oke, enter. Print. Versi data. Versi print data.
Wow, 91. Impressive, yeah.
Print.
Okay, the last one. Print. Input.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. You have to be careful, yeah.
N. Salah. N.
Oh, you missed the N.
Print.
And T. Okay. Print.
Enter.
Okay, very nice.
Cannot enter.
Karena kamu
Enter.
hapus dulu saja.
Yes, enter.
Oke, input.
Input.
Salah. N-nya kurang.
Oh, you missed the N.
Input again.
Okay, input.
Yay.
Once more. Okay, very nice. Oh.
Again.
Okay. Again.
Tanda kurung.
This is for to make
Tanda kurung di atas dekat nol.
date.
Oke, enter. Print. Name. Tanda tutup. Enter. Print. Gorong.
Surname.
75 tadi 91.
Okay, very nice. 75. Very nice, yeah. Okay, next. This is now mark the correct statements, just like previously, Zano. The first statement is algorithm and program are one and the same. Is it true or false?
False.
Yeah, that's false. The actions are performed strictly in the specified order. Yeah, that's true, yeah, specified order. And then the executor of the algorithm doesn't know how to guess or imagine. That's
false.
True, yeah. That's true. Yeah, the executor cannot imagine or take an initiative. Okay? And then the executor of the algorithm can only be a special program. No, yeah. And then the next is an algorithm is a sequence of actions to achieve a goal. What do you think, Zano? Is a sequence of action to achieve a goal. That's true, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. That's true. And then an algorithm must be written in a programming language. Are you sure? Are you sure? Well, no ya, because kalau mau sikat gigi masa mau nulis algoritma, mau menulis program dulu? Enggak kan? Ya.
Iya.
Jadi algoritma itu tidak perlu bahasa pemrograman, ya. So that's right, ya. Oke.
Sure.
Oke, very nice. Oke. Again, Zano? Print. Soon I will write.
Tanda kurung.
Oh, you missed the parenthesis.
Then
Okay. Quotation mark. Okay. Oh, it's caps lock. Uppercase. For the S. For the S is okay. Very nice.
I besar. I besar. Perhatikan tuh.
I will write ya.
I will
Huruf kecil will.
Write.
Huruf kecil.
will write the
Enter. Okay. Print my first programming. Oh, sorry, my first program. Program.
Okay. Print.
And then the last one in the Python language. Okay.
I besar.
Python. Oh, you miss the Y. Okay. Oh, without H. Okay. Y T H O N. Okay, very nice. Language.
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 Good.
Iya.
Salah satu di angka 1.
Ini.
Okay.
Very nice. 45. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, Zano. Now you have to, okay, you just need to run the program, yeah? That's in the right side. You can see that run the program. Yeah, the comments is run the program. You just need to, yeah. You can, okay. How to do that? First, the right tab yang di kanan dihilangin dulu. Tekan tombol yang itu tuh, yang nah itu. That's one. And then okay.
Play.
That's one. Okay, very nice. Yeah. Okay, and then tarik tombol yang itu tadi lagi karena ini nggak ada pemeriksaan otomatisnya. Nah, tekan tombol itu tuh, Zano, yang ada tombol nah, and then you have submit text for review. Okay. Very nice. Next level. Okay, mark the correct statements about the program from the previous level. Okay, the program runs endlessly. That's
True.
no, that's false, yeah. Because yeah, that's false.
False. The program prints the word in the card in
The program prints the words indicated in the parentheses. That's true, ya. Programnya menjalankan apa yang ada di dalam tanda kurung, ya. Betul, mencetak apa yang ada di tanda kurung. That's true. And then the third, this program performs 3 actions. That's true. Ya, ada 3 baris tadi ya programnya. And then the last one, the word print is used to print word. That's true. Ya. Okay, very nice.
Answer.
Okay. Now I will continue my presentation, Zano. Okay, this is my turn. Okay, you have to where is my presentation? Okay, could I share screen, Zano?
Yes. I stop share.
Yes. I will finish our work today, yeah. So this is the part 2 of our learning for the lesson 1, yeah. We will talk about functions and arguments. Okay. Okay, before we go to there, have you heard about functions? Function, fungsi. Apa
No.
itu? Kak pernah mendengar istilah fungsi? Have you
Yes.
heard? What is
Yes.
that? What is that?
Fungsi.
Fungsi is like
Pulpen.
Oh ya, pulpen.
For what?
Pulpen for writing.
okay, I see. It's just like something to do something. Itu maksudnya. Okay, like pen to write ya, to writing gitu ya. Gitu maksudnya Zano.
Yes.
Okay. How about the arguments?
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, the first one maybe I wanna make something clear ya. Jadi fungsi itu kalau di dalam programming itu agak berbeda ya artinya. So it's not same with the general definition of function. Ya. Okay, what is function exactly? This is the definition of function ya. Function is an algorithm that is composed in a programming language and has a unique name. Ya, kalau kakak sih bilangnya bahwa function is a program that has a unique name and has a unique task. Ya, dia punya nama yang unik dan tugas yang unik. Program yang punya nama yang unik dan tugas yang unik. As you can see here, Zano, algorithm that is composed in programming language is the definition for program ya. Jadi algoritma yang ditulis dalam bahasa pemrograman itu adalah definisi dari atau pengertian dari program. Betul?
Betul.
Iya, jadi function is a program that has a unique name and task. Ya, jadi fungsi itu adalah program yang punya nama dan tugas ya. Harusnya di sini ada task ya. Tugas yang unik ya. Begitu. Kemudian ya, what is print function? Print function is a ready to use function for printing the arguments specified in its parentheses. Jadi fungsi print itu digunakan untuk mencetak argumen yang ada di dalam tanda kurung Zano. Like this. I will write print and then inside of the parentheses as you can see hello hackers. So the output will be hello hackers. Gitu ya. You get it?
Yes.
Got it. Okay. And then this is very important for you. When you are writing argumen like this, jadi argumennya di dalam tanda petik semuanya, itu dia akan memprint sesuai apa yang ada di dalam tanda petiknya, persis. Oke? Nah sekarang kalau Zano memprintnya seperti ini, hello, tanda petik ini hanya untuk kata hello, kemudian komanya di luar tanda petik, kemudian adakan tanda petik lagi. Dia akan menjadi hello hackers. So it means that the comma tidak tidak diikutkan ya. Jadi dia menjadi spasi. The comma became a space gitu ya. Zano. So that's ya. Jadi yang perlu Zano catat adalah saat saya memprint sesuatu di dalam tanda petik, dia akan persis seperti yang ada di dalam tanda petik. Contohnya ini nih. Komanya ikut juga karena semuanya dalam tanda petik. Oh, dalam ya, oke. And then kalau saya di luar tanda petik itu akan menjadi dan you can write a number without quotation ya. Bisa menulis angka tanpa harus memetik gitu. Ya, dia akan tercetak seperti ini. Tapi ingat, koma itu akan menjadi spasi. Oke, Zano? Got it?
Yes.
Okay. And then, yeah, you can do some operation like multiplication and then sum, difference, quotation using Python. how how you do multiplication? You can use this mark ya, star mark ya. Jadi tanda bintang ini untuk perkalian. Jadi contohnya 2 kali 7 dia akan memprint 14. And then the sum, yeah, like the usual ya. Tanda plus, difference, this is for minus ya. And then quotation ini untuk pembagian. Gitu ya. Dan sekarang Zano juga dapat mengkombinasikan, menggabung tulisan dengan angka. Jadi kalau Zano bilang print total colon, koma 150 times 3, it will print out total colon 450. Gitu Zano. Oke? You got it?
Yes.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay. And also, of course, you can do operation like reminders. You know reminder in Indonesia? Reminder. Reminder is
No.
modulo. Tahu modulo? Modulo
No.
itu adalah sisa bagi ya. Jadi sisa bagi. Misalnya kakak, kalau 6 dibagi 3 berapa Zano?
Bagi 3, 2.
2. Nah sekarang kalau 7 dibagi 3?
7 bagi 3.
2 ya. Betul? Tapi sisanya 1. Nah itu yang disebut sebagai reminder atau
Oh.
modulo. Gitu ya. Oke? And then quotation, quotient ini adalah untuk pembagian kebilangan bulat nanti. Jadi dia langsung dibulatkan. Contohnya di sini kan 14 dibagi 3 itu kan 4 ya. Jadi 4,3333 gitu. Tapi dia menulisnya satu angka saja. Dibulatkan. Kalau dalam bahasa matematika namanya floor. Fungsi floor. Fungsi tangga gitu. Oke? Okay? And then raising a power. You know this in Indonesia. Raising to a power. Ya, you know, power in Indonesia, it's
Yes.
pangkat ya. Oh, okay. So what is 2 power 3, Zano? 2 power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. Ya,
Oh.
it will be 8 ya.
Iya.
Nah, this is you can see, you can use double sign of star to do power. Oke, untuk melakukan perpangkatan pakai nanti 2 tanda kali ini, gitu ya. Ini bukan artinya kali-kali, gitu ya. Tapi 3 pangkat 3. Oke. Oke, sana. That's all. And the equation or for arithmetic operation corresponds to the rule of mathematics. Jadi, you can set your own operation in Python. Just like this. If you print a code like this, print 1 plus 1 times 7, it will be 8, ya. Because the multiplication is stronger than addition or the sum. Oke? Jadi itu lebih jumlahan. Jadi 1 kali 7 dulu baru ditambah 1. Gitu ya? Oke, Zano?
Oke.
Got it?
Yes.
And then sekarang saya inginnya 1 tambah 1 itu didahulukan. How to do that? You can add parenthesis at the 1 plus 1 and then times 7. It will be 14. Okay, ya. And then this description of that mathematics multiplication determining quotation and remainder are executed first, followed by addition and subtraction. So the conclusion is a function is an algorithm that is composed in a function is a program has unique name and unique task, ya. And then some function can accept data called argument. Jadi ada di dalam kurung ya, inside of this parenthesis ini dinamakan parameter argumen, ya. Okay? Hello? Could you hear me? Okay.
Yes.
The last one, print is a function that prints the parameter specified in its parenthesis. Nah, fungsi print itu akan mencetak apa yang ada di dalam tanda kurung. Okay, now I wanna show you how to do your code ya. Gimana cara melakukan kodenya? Zano dapat nanti melakukannya seperti ini. Kakak login dulu. I will show you in the second part ya. In the second part, you will see something like this. Okay? This is the theory case ya. Jadi print bla bla bla, mark the pieces of code that are free of error. Tandai mana yang tidak ada errornya. This is will be true because we have a word inside of quotation mark ya. Jadi ada semua katanya ada di dalam tanda petik. And then this is will be false. Why? Because for the letter, for the word, there is no quotation mark. Nggak ada tanda petik. Ya, kalau angka itu kan boleh ada, boleh enggak. Tapi untuk hurufnya ini nggak ada. Jadi ini salah. And then this is, it's also true. Because all of the words or statement has a quotation mark. Ya, jadi semuanya punya tanda petik. Angka boleh nggak ada tanda petik. And then this one, Python blah blah blah. Oh, it will be false because there is no quotation mark here. And then there is no what missing in here, Zano?
Parenthesis.
Yeah, there is no parenthesis. Yeah, there is no parenthesis. That's very nice, Zano. Okay, I'll answer this, and then it will be true. Okay, now I will show you my speed typing, print, price, colon, and then comma, 100. Oh, and then print, discount, colon, and comma, and 10. And then print, discount, price, price, comma, 100 times 0.9. Okay, I have 154, yeah? And then this is, I think I will show you how to, you have to do ya. Jadi ini tugas yang sebenarnya, Zano ya. Write a program that display a greeting to the world. How to do that? You can use print and then parenthesis and then use the quotation mark and then write the word hello world. Oh, world. And then this sign. And then you can play it. It will be hello world. And then you can click on this check one. Oh, it will be true. Okay, Zana. That's all I want to show you. This is your turn. Yeah, Ayo.
Me?
Okay, Zana.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Oh, it's it's done, yeah. Okay, the second part, onboarding data output. Okay. Okay, mark the pieces of code. Okay, that's true. Number
True.
one is true. True.
True.
Oh, it's false, yeah.
False.
Okay,
True.
that's false. True.
False.
Okay. Yeah, that's nice. Pretty nice. Okay. Okay. You have to be focused in here. Price, yeah. Quotation mark. Oh, it's capitalized, yeah.
Aduh.
Okay. It's okay ya. Colin.
Hah?
Yes. Oh no, no, no. It's the
Hmm.
previous one. Okay.
Eh,
Okay, good.
Oh,
ih.
what happened? Quotation mark, comma, space.
Mama di bawah.
Oh,
Eh?
eh,
Oh,
Hmm.
okay. Space
Hmm.
100.
Hmm.
Okay.
Enter.
Okay.
Here.
Enter. Print.
Okay.
print,
Okay. Quotation mark, discount.
discount,
Okay, comma, 10 ya. And then print
Discount.
discount price. Oh, you missed the S. You
print.
missed the S. It's okay, it's okay. Calm, stay calm. Dan jangan tegang. Jangan tegang. Koma. Oh, koma, space 100 times 8 ya. Sip 8. Oke. 0.8. Oh, 9. Oke. Very nice.
Atau
42. It's okay, it's okay.
Oke, semangat.
Ya, ayo Zanu. Now fix the bugs. What's wrong in this program, Zanu? What's wrong? I
this
use print. Okay. I use print and then there is no
itu. Ah,
quotation mark ya, namanya quotation mark, oke? Okay?
aku gas kue
Nanti quotation.
quotation mark.
Oke. Nanti Zano kalau mau membuat tanda petiknya coba dihapus dulu coba yang tadi. Oh ya yang bawah aja yang bawah. Nanti diblok aja Zano semuanya. Diblok coba.
Blok.
Enggak, hapus dulu tanda petiknya, hapus dulu yang tadi yang oke, diblok tulisannya, semuanya diblok. Jangan semuanya, maksudnya yang mau dikasih tanda petik doang. Bukan bukan semuanya ya. Oh. Nah, sekarang langsung tanda petik.
Dapat.
Nah,
Ah,
you
ya.
can do like that, okay? Okay. Oh, wow. Control Z. Oh,
Kontrol.
Control Z.
Bisa.
Cannot. Hi.
Lagi. Sampai dia muncul nanti. Control Z
Ah,
lagi. Nah, nice. Okay. You miss something in the second line, Zano?
ya,
What is that? Okay.
parent, parent.
Okay.
Ah,
The parenthesis, yeah. Okay.
ya,
And then, okay. Now check it. Okay. Wrong. In the first line, you have
Oh,
indentation ya, ada indentasi itu. Jadi ada spasi dikit. Nah, itu sensitifnya Python ya. Jadi hapus spasinya yang di atas tuh sana. Oh enggak, ya yang di baris pertama ya. Baris kedua itu
oh,
udah bener. Iya, iya, that one. Okay,
ah,
very nice.
ini
Run your
gini.
code. Okay. And then checklist that. You can check. Okay.
yay.
Okay. Very nice. Wow. Okay, next level. What's wrong with this, Zano?
Oh,
Can
See?
you realize that?
yes, of course.
Apa yang salah kira-kira? Oke, fix that.
Nice.
Oke, nice. Very nice, Zano, ya. Langsung sadar ya,
Ya.
mantap sekali. Oke.
Oke.
Okay, now run the code.
Aha.
Pretty good. And then checklist.
Yay.
Wow. Nice. Okay, number 5.
Hello.
Now you have to print hello world. How to do that?
Like this.
Print,
Print.
like what? Print,
And then
okay,
on this
parenthesis,
parenthesis.
and then
So that apa?
quotation mark, quotation.
Quotation mark.
Okay, and then, yeah, and then
And
the word, yeah. Hello, the hello, comma,
oh,
space, world.
Working.
Okay. Oh, you missed the R, yeah?
world. Hmm.
Okay. And then you miss a sign. You miss a sign there. The last one. The last sign.
Where?
Okay.
Yay.
Very nice. Yay. Now you can click your you can print your name also, Zano. Maybe you wanna add your name in the second line. Print my name is Zano blah blah blah. You can do that. Okay. My name is Zano and I wanna be what do you wanna be, Zano?
What is?
A doctor? Or what?
Policeman.
Okay, police. Okay. You can no. Okay, it's okay if you wanna remove that. Okay. My name. Oh, space, yeah. My name is
Yes.
your complete name, maybe. Your complete name, yeah. My name
Yeah.
is Agaz. Aga Zabir Zano. I think the A should be capital. Okay, very nice. Okay. Okay, then and then the second one, the second line, maybe you have to put your, your cita-cita Zano, maybe. I wanna be a policeman, like that. Click enter.
Print.
Okay, print. Very nice ya Zano ya. What do you wanna be?
To be.
I wanna be. I want to be.
To be.
I wanna be
Police.
a policeman. Okay, very nice. I think the I the I is capital, yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's A, yeah. Okay. And then what do you wanna add, Zano? Ada lagi yang mau ditambahkan? What do you want to add again? Maybe your hobby, maybe? Oh, my hobbies are my hobby is. Yeah,
Oh yeah.
you can do that. Okay, you can do. Yes. Let's put print. Oh, I think. Oh, kita beda 1 jam ya,
Yeah.
Zano. Oh iya ya. My hobby is mechanic. Ya.
Mechanic.
That's nice hobby. Wow, right.
What is not that
Oh, I think
Indonesian?
the
Make
you
make make
yeah.
mechanic. See, mechanic. What is okay?
C. Before
Hmm.
the H, you have to put a C, yeah. Mechanic, yeah.
Mechanic.
Yeah, mechanic.
Match.
Yeah, that one. Mech. Yes, yes. It's okay, it's okay. But before the H, you have to put the C. Yeah, match. Ah, that's nice. Okay. Anything else, Zano? What do you want to add, maybe?
Only this, maybe.
Now, to step this, you can click on the, how to
This.
do. I will control you, yeah. No, no, no. Let me control you.
Oh,
Oke, approve. Oke, Zano, nanti kalau mau nge-save modulnya, kan misalnya nih modulnya udah jadi. Nanti tekan yang ini ya, you can press this ya. Ya, tekan yang ini. This is for saving your mode. Nah, nanti kalau mau mengubah tampilan tekan yang ini. Nah, dark mode jadinya ya gitu. Ya, kalau mau. Ya. Kemudian ya itu aja ya. Kita belum belajar tombol yang lainnya. Oke, Zano. Silakan ya.
mau yang naik mod.
What? Kalau mau tetap.
Oh, silakan. You can choose that. Okay, very nice. And then save your module and then name that. What maybe my dreams maybe
Oh iya,
or my identity maybe. Yeah.
dream.
Yo, you cannot write that without you have
Oh,
to use underscore ya. We cannot use space. Okay, my dream. Okay, only dreams maybe. Okay, nice. It's safe.
so,
Now, next to the number 6, Zano.
number 6 tuh.
Emang.
Cannot.
No, directly click on the number 6. Enggak, no. You can directly click on the number 6. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now you have to write the program like at the picture, Zano. Print amount of employee salaries, column. Okay. Okay, you can write that first, Zano. Print,
Then,
print. What? Yeah, the word on the picture said that amount of employee salaries. Huh? Can you see? Can you see, Zano? This one.
no.
I will. Wait. I will remote you first. Okay, this one, Zano. Yeah, this one say that you have to program like this. Yeah. So the appearance of the result will be like this. Amount of employee salaries, colon, titik dua, ya. How do you do that? Okay, that's the question. Okay, now I will guide you. You have to say in parenthesis amount of employee salaries.
What?
Amount
Amount
of
of
employee
employee.
Yes.
with Y, yeah, not okay, nice.
Sa
Yes.
Oh, Zano, I think my connection again.
Oh,
Oke, Colin. Nah, now apa namanya? In the black box, you have to write the description of the problem. Yeah, a pro team accountant is asking me to calculate how much to pay the sales staff. Could you hear me, Zano? I think my connection is really bad here.
kali
No.
1000.
Okay, could you hear me, Zano?
Yes.
You can see the description of the problem. One employee of the sales department gets $1,000, and then there are 12 employees in the department. So what will be the salaries? It will become it will become
Bag,
it will become 12 times. No, ya tidak dibagi ya, tapi pakai kali ya.
This.
Kalau satu orang $1.000, maka kalau 12 orang
12
12 times 1,000 ya.
Oh yeah.
Iya, oke. But it no we have to write that outside of the quotation mark, Zano. We will use you will use comma. So outside of the quotation mark.
Comma. This.
No, but outside of quotation mark. No, di luar tanda petik. Di luar tanda petik. Nah, koma.
Lihat, oke.
Koma.
Kanan.
Koma. And then 12 times 1,000 ya. 12 times 1,000. 1,000 times 12
Yeah, like this.
times 12. I like that. Okay. Very nice. Okay, now run your code. Zano.
What?
What will happen?
Play.
Say.
You can see what will happen. Play. Okay. Like that. Okay. How amount employee salaries?
Nggak kelihatan muka tuh. Gelap. Aduh.
Lebih gelap mana sama Surabaya?
Surabaya lah.
Kenapa hitam ini ya?
Katanya kalau hujan jelek jaringannya.
Emang di mana kan dia?
Bogor.
Bogor pas hujan terus.
Hello, Zano. I'm sorry. My
Halo.
connection is really bad because I think it's because of the rain, yeah? I'm sorry that. Okay, Zano. You can click the checklist mark, Zano. Okay. Okay, very nice. Next level. Okay. Okay. Now, current volume of the media is 20,480. Now, choose the correct version of the program. Which of these pieces of code corresponds to the program in the picture? Help restore the developments. Okay. Which program, Zano? Which code do you think? Which code will be print like the picture? 20,400. Yeah, it said that current volume of the media. I think that will be current volume of the media. Number 1, yeah? Yeah, I think it will be number 1. Yeah, okay. Okay. Wow, wrong.
Oh,
Answer. You have to choose. Hmm. I think number four. Number four, maybe.
four.
Yeah, number four. Wow, that's correct now. Okay. Okay. Now, what is this? Oh, just like the previous one, Zano. Print rental price, colon, and then the second line you have to print the amount of that, ya. Okay. Dia bilang the accountant is again asking for help. The pro team pays $85,000 to rent an office. The landlord recently announced a 10% price increase. Okay. How? Okay. You have to first rental price,
Well, price.
column. Oke. Nah, soalnya bilang di sana Zano, harga awalnya itu $85.000. Tetapi ada diskon 10%. Nah, sekarang berapa harga yang terbaru? Buat aja baris kedua karena sesuai soalnya kan. Zano lihat sesuai gambarnya itu di print di baris kedua yang warna hitam itu. Ayo tekan enter kemudian print.
Oh, dah.
Ya, you have to no no no. No, you have to a new line. Ya, a new line. Oke, print
Print.
print parenthesis 85,000 85,000 dan
Dan
dikali
kali
dikali 10%, ya.
10% itu
10 kata 10.
0,1 0,1 0,1 atau 100 bagi 10. Bukan bu- bu- bukan bukan 0 0.1 0. Komanya pakai ini titik ya kalau di pemrograman pakai titik komanya. Ya, 0.1. Oke, plus. Nah, ini bonusnya sekarang harga aslinya adalah 85.000 ya. Plus
plus
85,000
85,000.
thousands. Okay, now you can run your code. Okay, again. Yeah, you can press the check. Okay. Very nice. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, this is very this is just a simple math ya Zano ya. Jadi you have to print you have to print 6 times oh yeah, 6 times 55,480 and then plus 3 times bla 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 plus L11 times gitu. Ini matematika sederhana ya. Jadi yang pertama print need to allocate. Aduh, kenapa sinyal saya ini? What's wrong with my connection?
Oke, jangan apa? HP ya? Atau is wrong. Bye-bye. Mungkin nih gitu. Komputer, nol laptop, 58 tuh.
Disuruh apa gini?
Hah?
Disuruh apa?
Baca tuh. pembayaran untuk komputer and component from need a
Wih,
need hmm, lalu two.
I'm sorry, Zano.
Pakai jaringan data ya?
Dua-duanya nih Pak. Saya pakai WiFi sama jaringan tetap aja gini.
WiFi pakai jaringan siapa? IndiHome.
Telkomsel Pak. Oh enggak, Telkomsel saya.
Hmm.
Saya di
Mhm.
kampus nih WiFi-nya yang paling cepet, tapi karena hujan mungkin gangguan juga.
Oh, harus yang tidak pakai WiFi.
Saya backup pakai
Hmm. Oke, next.
kartu Telkomsel nggak bisa ya. Koma, Zano. Koma,
rumah,
outside of the ya, koma. 6 times 55.480 and then 3 times 21,830.
Hah?
Ayo, kalikan itu. Itu
What?
ya 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 ada di samping kanannya itu angka-angkanya. 6
65
kali 55.000.
enam
Oh,
Iya,
lima,
6 kali 55.480
lima, puluh, empat puluh,
plus
plus,
3 times 21,000
ini,
times
21,830.
21,830
ini, plus,
plus 11 times
11,
400 and
uh,
411
11,
plus the last one 5
what?
times $290 ya.
Oh,
Okay, now you can run your code, Zano.
oke.
Okay, checklist maybe.
Oh, ya. Hmm.
Pretty
Yay,
nice ya.
next
Enggak,
slide.
ya sederhana tuh.
Okay, the last one, Zano, the last one. This is
Ah,
really really ini sedikit apa namanya? Ya, kalkulasi matematika ya.
iya.
Okay, Zano, the first one you have to print the storage will be able to fit. Ayo,
In,
The storage,
the storage
storage,
will be able.
oh,
storage,
The storage.
hmm.
Oh,
storage,
storage, huh?
storage
Will
Will be able.
will be
Will be able
able
to fit.
to
to
fit.
fit
To fit, comma, yeah, comma, and then this is we have to put the number, yeah, comma. Let's see the description. The company has a 5,000 gigabytes data storage. The company was hand over 20 files for placement. The volume of one file is 256 gigabyte. It means that for 20 files will be 5,000 floor ya. Jadi 5.000 di floor dengan 256
oh
gitu. 5.000 floor apa oke, double equation kalau floor.
eh
Oh, 256, 256. Okay, and then comma
oh
files ya. Comma quotation mark files.
files
Iya,
Oh.
files tuh sesuai di gambarnya ya. Files ya.
ah
Oh, Okay. Block that at okay. If one okay.
Batas lembar
Files.
file.
Okay. And then the second line, Zano, print. Ah, you have to put now
Nanti.
print 5.000 floor 256. 5.000 floor 200.
Ibu.
Oh, without quotation mark, sorry. Without quotation mark. 256. Ah, itu dikurung, Zano, dikurung dulu. Dikurung lagi maksudnya ada 5.000 dan sampai dari angka 5 sampai angka 6-nya dikurung.
Dari yang kelima.
5.000
Bukan, 5.000-nya maksud kakak.
Oh.
Iya, kurung lagi. Oke, dan satu lagi. Times 20.
Times.
Times 20. Kali maksud kakak ya. Kali 20 file ya. Nah, sekarang dia bilang kan ini sisanya itu berapa Zano ya. Jadi di awal tuh filenya nanti filenya 2.000 dua. Nah, sekarang dia bilang sisanya berarti kita harus mengurangi ya. Jadi di awal banget Zano, di awal banget 5.000 kurang ya. Itu. Di awal banget. Oh, bukan di. Nah, enggak masuk tanda kurungnya. Masuk 5.000 kurang ya.
5.000 kurang.
Oh, bukan. Di luar tanda kurung itu. Di luar.
Oh.
Nah, di situ maksud Kak. Jadi penyimpanannya kan 5.000 ya. Oh, bukan. 5.000 kurang maksud Kak. Langsung 5.000 dikurangi.
Oh.
Aduh. Dikurangi. Oke. And then, itu tulisannya diturut, koma, tanda petik, GB will remain. Itu yang akan tersisa. Oh, komanya di ini, di setelah 20-nya. Setelah 20-nya.
Ah.
Iya. Oke. GB will remain ya.
Kecil.
GB GB will remain. Okay. Now you can run your code, Zano. Run your code. Oh, wait.
What?
It should be, it's not 20, Zano. In the second line, it's not 20, but it will be 256 ya. Jadi bukan dikali 20, tapi dikali dikali 256 ya, bukan dikali 20. Oke, now run your code. Jadi dia akan bisa menampung 19 file dan sisanya 136 giga. Gitu Zano. Oke. Now check checklist that. Oke, pretty nice. Oke, Zano. I think this is the end of the first lesson ya. Jadi mungkin ini sampai pertemuan kita Zano. You can Yeah, you can uh, ini in the additional text you can do your ya, you can make your skill more smoothie ya. Jadi silahkan pertajam. Itu ada 3 soal. Nanti kalau Zano apa namanya sudah mencoba berkali-kali, tanyakan ke kakak. Nanti kakak akan bantu Zano. Oke?
Oke.
Ada nomor
Oke.
WA-nya?
Kenapa? Kenapa, Pak?
Uh, can I?
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp number?
Yes.
Okay, this is my WhatsApp number, Zano.
Comment?
Okay. In the chat box, you can see in the Zoom.
Ini di sini jam sini.
Okay. So I think I
Ya.
will see you on the
97.
Zano. Oh, tomorrow, yeah. Oh no. It's not tomorrow, but in the Thursday. Okay. Okay.
Check numbers. What?
Oh, what, Zano? Okay, done?
Eh,
Okay. So see you on the Thursday, Zano, yeah? We will meet again on the Thursday at the same time, yeah, Zano, yeah?
okay.
Okay.
Boleh nih. Si Sungwen. Jelaskan.
No. No. 8,533
877.
8,772.
972.
Masih cek too many numbers.
Hmm?
Too many numbers.
0853 3877 1972.
Iya.
Hmm.
Aman, Zano?
Wait.
Are you done?
No.
No? Okay. Wah, I think Zano. Or gimana kalau kakak yang ngechat Zano duluan? Boleh minta nomornya?
Finish. Finish.
Oke. Oke. Berapa nomornya Zano?
Dulu. Udah aku ya.
Oh iya ini. Halo. Ini kakak kasih stiker ya Zano ya?
Iya.
Oke itu ya. Nah itu stiker kakak. Oke. Oke Zano. See you on the Tuesday ya. At the same
Ya.
time. Bye bye.
Bye.
See
Iya, Mas.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ayo Pak.
Ya, terima kasih.
Terima kasih kembali.